So hey everyone, this is GCP Decode, and in this video we will discuss about this lab. So let's start with the lab. Simply start the lab and open this Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply come on to this Cloud Console and here search for VM instance. You will get this option. Simply open this VM instance in the new tab. After this, what you have to do is simply open the Cloud Shell from here and just wait for some time. Then simply authorize from here. Okay. Now come on to your lab instruction page, scroll down a little bit, and you will get this set your reason and choose section. Simply copy this first command, paste it here in Cloud Shell, and okay, just hold on for a second. Let me just paste it again. Make sure do not copy any extra space or any extra value, and then simply press enter. Okay, then we have to run the second command. Again, copy this without any extra space and enter. Then third one. Okay. There. Okay, after doing this, simply minimize your cloud shell from here. Then click on this create instance. Then simply close this pop-up for the machine configuration and for name. Come on to the lab instruction page. And in the task number 1, you will get all the instructions. Like for the name field, we have to copy this value. Simply copy this value, paste it here in the place of name. And for me, the reason is Euro based 4 already selected and Euro based 4A. After doing this, we have to select series E2 and machine type E2 medium. So E2 is already selected in series and E2 medium is already also selected here. Now what we have to do is come on to this OS and storage, and here you will get your configuration for OS and storage. For me, it's Divine. Okay, Linux 12 I have to select. Simply click on this change. Divine already selected. And let me see. Okay, Linux 12 is also selected. Balanced parties. Disk. Okay, thank you already. Okay. Simply click on this select match all this configuration once. If it is same, then simply click on save. And then what we have to do is I think we have to come on to the networking. Okay, networking. Then simply click on this allow HTTP traffic. After that, simply click on this create. I just wait for some time. Yeah, you have to wait for the green tick here. So just wait for some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will move to the next step. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Now for the next step, simply click on this SSH and open this in the new window or new tab. And then simply wait for some time. Then authorize. Okay, after this, come on to the lab instruction page and come on to the task number 2. Copy the first command, paste it here in the VM instance. I mean, this is. Let me copy this again. Make sure you are not copying any extra space or any extra value. So after this, just wait for some time. Done. Now again, copy this second command from task number, paste it here and hit enter. And just hold on for a second. Yeah, done. Then copy the third command from the task number 2, paste it here in SSH and enter. Done. Now click on check my progress for task number 2. And we have got the green tick here. Let's move to the task number 3. We have to create a new instance using gcloud command. So simply copy the command from here. I will copy like this. Make sure you are not copying any extra space. Paste the command here from the task number 3. And here just wait for some time. Why we are getting error here? We have this command. Okay, so if you are also facing the same error like this after running this command, if you are getting error like me, as you can see, as I am running this command, I am getting error. So what you have to do is simply come on to the VM instance tab. Let's create it manually. Simply click on create new instance and whatever the value, you will get all the values here. Like in this expected output, you will get the values like for the name, copy this name, paste it here on the place of name. And for me, the reason is US faithful and John is US faithful. Okay. Then E2 medium. E2 and then E2 medium is already selected. Then we will create. Just wait for some time. Let's wait for the green tick here. Okay, so we have got the green tick here. Now let's try to click on check my progress. Let's see we will get. Okay. So we have got the green tick here. Let me tell you, in the task number 3, if you run this command and you get any error, then simply what you have to do is simply you have to create this VM instance too, just by manually. Okay, do not need to worry that you have not created the VM instance using the command line. You can simply create it manually and you will get the score. As you can see, I have create this second instance manually and I have got the green tick here. And so yeah, that's it for this lab. We have completed this lab 100 out of 100. Now you can simply end the lab from here. You will get the green tick here in this lab. And if you have any doubt, you can join our Telegram group and you can ask your doubt here in the comment or there in the Telegram group. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial.